The fallout from controversial moves by 5 members of the West Shore School Board continue this evening. And tonight, the Education Law Center, which is a nonprofit that works on ensuring equal education in the state, addressed the school board and the public. Fox 43's Logan Perone has been following this story and shares what was discussed during tonight's special meeting.
It's a familiar sight lately for the West Shore School District board meetings. A packed house. Politics clashing with school policy. A similar situation West Shore parent Ben Hodge saw when the Central York School Board moved to ban books in the district he teaches in.
We're seeing a lot of the same things that were happening in our district, such as firing of solicitors, going after superintendents, going after faculty and staff.
The nonprofit Education Law Center informed the board about the implications of affiliating with a right-wing law firm.
Next slide.
Board member Abigail Turney, who has an education background, requested the ELC address the board and public after a private meeting with the Independence Law Center in March.
If this board was going to expose itself to a risk of harm for itself and the taxpayers, I wanted the board to completely understand what that might be.
Attorney Christina Moon represented the ELC. The group's work aims to provide equitable education in the Commonwealth, which Moon says has faced increasing pressure in the last 2 years.
We're at like 55 school districts that have been in the news or contacted ELC or our partners because of concerns about LGBTQ student discrimination.
The presentation touched on legal considerations with changing policy, including both federal and state laws that guarantee student rights.
And that is going to likely cost them at litigation stage or down the road in some way, in addition to costing students their right to access in schools.
For parents like Hodge, he says they want to see those rights protected and public trust restored by the board.
I think if you're going to use words like transparency and freedom, that you should back that up with actual action.
Logan Perone, Fox 43 News.
And Tierney says there's no place for religious agendas from outside law firms in the West Shore School District. So we did reach out to all of the school board members today, and as of this hour, they have not returned requests for comment. You can access the entire slideshow from the Education Law Center on our website, fox43.com.